Did you know that Toulouse is called La Ville Rose, or the Pink City, for an intriguing reason? Unlike cities that reflect shades of white, gray, or gold in their architecture, Toulouse glows with hues of pink thanks to its unique terracotta bricks. But there's much more to this enchanting French city than its rosy charm. Join me as we uncover its timeless allure and discover why it deserves a place on your travel bucket list. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Toulouse, the vibrant jewel of southwestern France. This is a city where history meets innovation, and every street hums with life. While Paris and Lyon dominate travel brochures, Toulouse offers a quieter, more intimate look at French tradition. It's a space where you'll find medieval stone bridges blending seamlessly with cutting-edge aerospace hubs. Take a leisurely walk through its charming alleys, and you'll notice pastel-hued buildings that set a warm and welcoming tone. You'll hear locals chatting at small cafes and see students cycling by, giving the city its dynamic energy. Toulouse whispers its unique personality rather than shouting, and for those who slow down and listen, it becomes unforgettable. Whether it's indulging in rich southern French cuisine, exploring its ancient architecture, or enjoying serene views along the canals, Toulouse promises something special for every kind of traveler. By the end of this guide, you'll know all the reasons why Toulouse is a must-visit destination. Here's the truth. Toulouse tends to be overlooked. Travelers often flock to Paris for the romance, Provence for rural charm, or Bordeaux for its wine. Toulouse, on the other hand, sits quietly in the shadows. Some might assume its appeal lies solely in its status as an aerospace industry hub. But believe me, that's only one small part of its story. The real magic of Toulouse lies in its authenticity. It's a city that hasn't been overly shaped by tourism. Here, daily life unfolds naturally, allowing visitors to savor a genuine slice of southern French culture. Imagine strolling down a cobblestone street lined with pink-hued buildings, hearing the laughter of locals over a glass of wine, and turning a corner to discover a centuries-old basilica. This guide aims to show you why Toulouse is more than worth your time. From iconic landmarks to hidden culinary treasures, every corner of this charming city is bursting with character. At the heart of Toulouse lies the Capitole de Toulouse. With its grand pink facade and impressive architecture, it's a perfect introduction to why the city is known as the Pink City. Constructed from terracotta bricks used since Roman times, the building feels alive with Toulouse's deep history. Step inside to find marble staircases, frescoed ceilings, and a wealth of historical art. The Salle des Illustres is a particular highlight, with its intricate decorations celebrating the city's heritage. The square in front of the Capitole is a hub of activity, ideal for resting with a cup of coffee from a nearby cafe while people-watching. Next on your itinerary is the incredible Basilique Saint-Sernin. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is one of Europe's largest Romanesque churches and a vital stop on the ancient Camino de Santiago pilgrimage route. Marvel at its tall bell tower, striking carvings, and the rich symbolism etched into every stone. Inside, the golden altarpiece shimmers in the light, a reminder of the city's rich spiritual history. For a dose of romance, stroll along the Garonne River as the sun dips below the horizon. The glowing pink of the buildings reflects beautifully in the water. At the Pont Neuf, the city's oldest bridge, you can take in architectural brilliance from the 16th century while enjoying a calming breeze off the river. Foodies, prepare to fall in love with Toulouse. Start with Victor Hugo Market, a bustling hub of flavor. Sample local delicacies like cassoulet, a slow-cooked stew of beans, pork sausage, and duck confit. For dessert, hunt down the fenitre, a traditional cake dating back to the Romans, with its apricot accents and almond flour base providing a subtle sweetness unique to Toulouse. A trip to the Carme district will lead you to even more culinary treats. Step into its elegant wine bars, sip violet-infused liqueurs, or try artisanal goat cheese that melts in your mouth. It's a district where the love of food and community is unmistakable. Did you know Toulouse is Europe's aerospace capital? A visit to the Cité de l'Espace brings this world of advanced technology to life. Whether marveling at life-sized models of rockets or stepping into a replica of the Mir space station, this interactive museum offers fun for both adults and kids alike. It's a glimpse into the city's forward-thinking spirit and connection to the stars. Don't miss the Couvent des Jacobins, a peaceful medieval monastery where you can discover architectural feats like the palm tree ceiling. Or take a break at Jardin Japonais, a Japanese garden that's ideal for an afternoon of relaxation among koi fish ponds and lush greenery. For travelers willing to go beyond the surface, Toulouse offers unforgettable experiences. Take a scenic bike ride or boat cruise along the Canal du Midi. Lined with tall plane trees, this serene waterway has a way of quieting the mind. Watch as locals casually picnic by the canal or fish in its depths. It's an authentic snapshot of provincial France. Another moment worth capturing? Attending a festival like the Rio Loco Music Festival. Held along the riverbanks, this celebration of global music adds vibrant beats to Toulouse's already colorful personality. Choosing Toulouse means uncovering a city that blends the traditional and modern, the bustling and the serene. Its pink-hued streets, tantalizing gastronomy, and moments of cultural brilliance charm every kind of traveler. From hidden gardens to magnificent basilicas, Toulouse offers stories worth exploring and experiences you'll carry home. Why settle for the expected when the unexpected, Toulouse, is waiting for you? Start planning your trip and make memories in Ville Rose. If this guide has inspired your next travel plans, give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more insider tips. Adventure is calling. Au revoir.